Okay, I was at Goodwill today and picked up a couple laser discs, one of which is this Pioneer Laser Optics 2 demo disc. And this is actually a laser disc player I've had for quite some time, and I honestly have never really even used it. So I put new belts in it today and lubed it up, cleaned it up, and it seems to be working really well. Cleaned the laser. This one has a separate CD tray as well as the larger disc, but I'm just going to go ahead and play this right here and we'll see what it does. It's uncompressed CD video quality. Here we go. And so it's actually working. And this has a jog shuttle dial, so I can go fast forward.
Choose your favorite music from CDs or your favorite videos from Laserdisc.
So this is some sort of a demo disc. I picked it up because I thought it was interesting. Now I do happen to have one only other laser disc title, and I've had this for years. There's a movie called The Decline of Western Civilization. It's now out on Blu-ray, but for a while it was extremely rare and only on VHS. And it's a movie about punk rock and came out right around in the early 80s. But anyways, this one has a little bit of laser rot. So what ends up happening is there's a little bit of digital static, and it's been this way for years. Let's go ahead and let's play this one here and see what happens. Takes a while. But it is working. Here we go. Yeah, this one has a little bit of digital static because it has, the disc itself has laser rot. And I'm familiar with that, reading, because I read up on it. But it's a different type of video. I have to say the quality is really, really good. But it's obviously 4:3, and this is, you know, this is antiquated technology, but this is the movie right here. It's all about punk rock. But anyways, I just thought I'd show it to you tonight. Normally I'm demoing a receiver, but I got this going tonight, and I've got a couple more of these. I'm going to go ahead and pull them out and see if they're still working.